Good morning, students. I am Anikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. So, yesterday we are talking about the versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature. Carbon shows versatile nature. And one of the prominent reason of versatile nature of carbon is catenation. The property of forming bond with atoms of the same element is called catenation. The property of forming bond with atoms of the same element is called catenation. Now, since the atoms of the same element are combining and forms a large number of compound, this property, this tendency arises the versatile nature of carbon. Now, let us talk about what is a hydrocarbon. The simplest compound of carbon and hydrogen, simplest compound containing only carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. And hydrocarbon are regarded as a parent organic compound. Hydrocarbon are regarded as a parent organic compound. Why? Because all other organic compounds can be derived by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by any other atom or group of atoms. Now, on the basis of the arrangement of carbon, this hydrocarbon can be further divided. As I said, the simplest compound containing carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are regarded as a parent organic compound because all other organic compounds can be obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by any other atom or group of atom. Just we have discussed about the versatile nature of carbon. It means the carbon has a tendency to combine with another carbon atoms and forms a long chain, forms a large number of compounds. So this, how carbon combine in a different fashion. Let us see that on the basis of the linkage, hydrocarbon can be broadly classified like a first open chain. In open chain compound, carbon connected by either a straight chain or a branch chain of a various length or various sizes. In open chain, carbon connected by in a straight chain or a branch chain of a various length or of various sizes. Like here you see the carbon or not only a single bond, maybe double also, but I am talking about now in a simple way. So here all the carbon are connected in a straight chain. So here it is called open chain, and these compounds are called aliphatic compound. This is called aliphatic compound, in which carbon connected either by straight chain or a branch chain. You see here one carbon is connected as is in the form of a branch. So this arrangement is called branch. But either straight chain or a branch chain, they come under the category of open chain, or also it is called aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is called aliphatic hydrocarbon. So what is aliphatic hydrocarbon? In which carbon connected by straight chain or in a branch chain. Some other example also you can take it. Here you see that carbon are connected in a branch chain. Straight is there, but 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. At third carbon there is a branch. At third carbon above and below there are two other carbons are connected. So this in this type of arrangement comes under the category. So either carbon connected in a straight chain or a branch chain are called aliphatic hydrocarbon or open chain. Hopefully you understood it. Now let us come the another type. One is a open chain. So obviously there will be the second type is a closed chain. Closed chain or cyclic, either open or closed. So in this hydrocarbon, carbon connected either in a closed or in a ring or in a cyclic fashion. In these hydrocarbon, carbon connected either in a closed chain or in a ring fashion or in a cyclic manner. So once again, these are of two types. Alicyclic. Alicyclic or aromatic. Alicyclic or aromatic hydrocarbon. Now, what is a alicyclic hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon in which 3 or more carbon atoms are connected in a cyclic fashion. Hydrocarbon in which 3 or more carbon atoms are connected in a cyclic fashion. Now, as you know that even you have studied in maths, plane figure, the simplest closed plane figure is a triangle. Simplest plane figure is a triangle. So it means if you are going to draw the triangle, it means you need the three vertex. Similarly, if you are going to draw a compound which is in a carbon are connected in a closed fashion, so it means there is a need of minimum 3 carbon. That is need of a minimum 3 carbon. That's what I said, alicyclic hydrocarbon in which three or more carbon atoms are connected in a cyclic fashion or in a closed fashion. So the first example, first member of this family is CS2, the first member of this family. First member of this family will be this one. It is called cyclopropane. That later on we will discuss it about its name, cyclopropane. Similarly, cyclobutane. That name after that we'll discuss. Here you see that as I said, these hydrocarbon carbon are connected in a cyclic fashion. That's why before the name we use it here, cyclopropane, cyclobutane. Now these compounds have resemble their properties with the aliphatic hydrocarbon. That's why the name begin with Ali. What? Cyclic, because it is the carbon are connected in a cyclic fashion, and some of their properties resemble with the aliphatic hydrocarbon. So this name has a alicyclic. Now next type is a aromatic hydrocarbon. In this compound, carbon are connected in a ring. Carbon are connected in a ring fashion. The parent member of this family is called benzene. What is here? In aromatic hydrocarbon, carbon connected in a ring fashion. Ring means like this is ring, no? So carbon are connected in a ring. The parent member of this family is called benzene. Now what is a benzene? Benzene is a homocyclic ring of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bonds in their alternate position. What is a benzene? Benzene has a homocyclic ring of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bonds in their alternate position. Let me draw the figure. Formula of benzene. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. So now you see, I have already taken 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have the 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you see here, carbon has only 3 bonds here, but carbon has to complete 4 bonds. But here you see this carbon 1, 2, 3. 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 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. None of the carbon has completed its tetravalent. So that's why there is need of put the double bond. You see, now any one of the carbon you can check, all the carbon has completed its tetravalent. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So all the carbon has completed its tetravalent. Now, not only you can put here double bond, you can shift some other place also. Once again, you see another way of drawing. So next time, if I put the double bond here, you see, even all the carbon has completed its tetravalent. So it means this double bond is not fixed at one carbon. It can be delocalized. So since the double bond is delocalized, it means not fixed at one position. So that's why in place of this you can also do it in this way. Since it is moving, so you can put here in this way also. So either of the structure, either you can draw this structure, or this structure, all stands for benzene. So my dear student, as I said in the beginning, versatile nature of carbon. One of the prominent reason is catenation. And catenation is what? Property of forming bond with atoms of the same element. When the atoms of the same element, I mean to say the carbon are connected and forms a large number of a compound. The various way of arranging carbon, that is either in the form of an open chain or a closed chain. In open chain, the carbon connected in a straight chain or in a branch chain. That is called open chain or aliphatic compound. A straight chain or in the form of either in the form of a straight chain or a branch chain. That is called aliphatic hydrocarbon. The another one is carbon connected in a closed ring in a cyclic fashion. Now this closed ring can be of the two types, alicyclic and aromatic hydrocarbon. What is alicyclic? In this compound, 3 or more carbon atoms are connected in a cyclic fashion. They resemble many of the properties with the aliphatic hydrocarbon. That's why it is called alicyclic. Ali stands for aliphatic And cyclic stance means carbon-carbon are connected in a cyclic fashion or in a ring fashion. Next one is a aromatic hydrocarbon. In this, carbon are connected in a ring. The parent member of this family is a benzene. Parent member of this family is a benzene. What is a benzene? Benzene is a homocyclic ring of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bond in their alternate position. These are the structural formula of benzene. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and these are the structural formula of benzene. Hopefully you understood, my dear student. Even if you have any doubt, please let me know during your online classes. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.